Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to learn how to not receive a rideshare request on Uber driver app. Now, what you basically need to do is open the Uber app first. So let's click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, let it load. And here you can see the basic user interface which is present. Now, what you need to do is click on the right bottom corner account option. Okay, after clicking on account option, you can see your profile, your name, your rating, every other option. Now, what you need to do is scroll down and go to settings option. After going to settings option, you will see your basic details. You can add your safe place, privacy, security, passwords, etc. Now what you need to do is click on this right check option. Okay, after clicking on this right check option, make sure it is off. It shouldn't be on. Okay, then the next step is, if you have any managed trusted contacts with whom you share your ride, you need to come here and you need to remove that contact. So what I want to say is that you cannot mute a particular ride trip request, but you can delete it from coming. So what you need to do is click on this, and if you have added anyone, just click on delete option. Yes, it will ask you to remove contact. Are you sure you want to remove this contact? Okay, so yes, remove it. Okay, now next time when you will go, you will not receive any rideshare request on Uber driver app. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel will be much appreciated. Bye.